Well, we know we got lots of technologies, right? We got disruption, we got cloud, we got big data. Certainly blockchain, I feel, is one of the most foundational. Because if you think about it, we had the PC revolution when I was a kid, right? And they said, oh, we might have like 5 computers in the world. I think IBM said that, right? Obviously, we got like 50 in this room, okay? So that's not the truth, right? That's what they thought back then. And then the internet came. That was the next one when I was in university, so I'm dating myself here. But nonetheless, when I was in university, we had the internet come, okay? And the internet, everybody's like, oh, you know, this is junk, what we talked about. Nobody's going to use this. Who needs the internet? What is this? You know, I remember Microsoft was about 6 months outside of going out of business because they thought that they could ignore the internet. And Bill Gates did not touch it. He's like, internet, we don't need this. And it was only in like the last 6 months that they actually said we need to incorporate internet into everything. If they would not have done that, you probably would not hear of Microsoft anymore today. They were so close to not being in business because they almost missed that wave. Okay? And then the next wave came, we called Web 2.0, which was the internet, basically social media, e-commerce transactions, Facebook, all that good stuff you guys know today, Amazon, right? That came into Web 2.0. Now the biggest change now, I'll call this Web 3 or 4, whatever you want to call it, okay, is basically the internet as money. That's what Bitcoin and blockchain are. The internet basically becomes the currency. The value of transactions can be transacted on the actual network. So now the internet becomes the transactions itself. It's not, I'm just sending credit card money. It's not, oh, I got to go to a bank. It's actually the internet becomes that. It becomes the money, which is why it's such a foundational change. I think big data is great. I think AI is great. I've heard of lots of stuff on robotics. I think they're all really cool. I'm an agile practice head, so I spend a lot of time working on how you adapt to this stuff. But blockchain is foundational, just like the PC, the internet, and Web 2.0.